to the marker. Confirmed. Stopping now.
Hydraulic fluid levels are optimal. Engine oil viscosity confirmed by the sensor wand. The tank is ready for testing.
The alignment on the starboard side is off by 2 microns.
Adjusting the sensor angle now. Let's rerun the dynamic test.
We are confirming the internal electronic consistency of the CVT system against the sweep.
The thermal profile is stable and uniform. We have our baseline.
Readiness check passed. Confirm for Process A, external testing range. Data routed for Process B.
Roger that. Moving out.
The specialized terrain conditioning circuit pre-stresses the hydropneumatic suspension, demonstrating initial functional stabilization before the high-speed run.
Testing the anti-slip performance under suboptimal conditions. High-speed cameras verify the mechanical stability and immediate response of the mobility system.
Look at that compensation. It's perfectly level.
Green across the board. The conditioning is complete.
The Type 10 traverses dense urban rubble, demonstrating mobility resilience. High-speed cameras capture the hydropneumatic suspension, maintaining stability.
All readings are stable. Pressure and torque levels confirmed.
Acknowledged. The stress test is successful. The thermal envelope is stable. We are maintaining acceptable limits under sustained high torque.
Ride height adjustment confirmed. The hydraulic response was instantaneous and stable.
During the dynamic shaping phase, the robot confirms the tracks maintain their pristine condition, holding up under the sustained abrasion and torque of Process A.
Checksum verified. The Process A physical testing is complete.
As the massive vehicle enters the pressurized chamber, automated nozzles spray a highly durable protective coating.
The thermal degradation trends are spiking on the eastern array. Confirmed. Adjusting the fatigue modeling now for Process B certification.
We need to fine-tune the dampening curves based on these logs.
Isolating the tilt compensation segment.
Yes.
The Process B summaries confirm compliance across all mobility factors.
And the stress data points are well within the mandated safety margins.
The Process B analysis confirms the structural integrity. This fatigue curve validates the 20-year lifespan.
The mobility validation confirms the stress tolerances meet the required metrics.
And the wear rates under extreme load?
Fully within operational parameters, Colonel. It's ready.
Suspension articulation is confirmed at maximum tilt. The turret remains stable.
This solidifies the high-speed maneuver capability.
The technical firm says properamente wonderful. The Type 10's Process B certification confirms its unparalleled agility.
Adhering to Process B documentation, the tank is secured onto the specialized rail carriage, ensuring immediate operational readiness.
The wear rate on the CVT is lower than projected.
Data confirms lifespan extension based on the endurance trials.
All right, logging the certification now.
Validating the mobility platform in a high-stress scenario like this ravine confirms the Type 10's unmatched capability across varied Japanese terrain.
Target locked.
The Type 10 rapidly moves, utilizing its low-profile mode to take cover behind the ridgeline. This demonstrates